Hello student, welcome to E-Study Zone. Today I tell you some animals name and their babies. So let's get started. Bear. B-E-A-R, bear. A baby bear is a cub. C-U-B, cub. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. A baby rabbit is a kit. K-I-T, kit. Deer. D-E-E-R, deer. A baby deer is a fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. A baby elephant is a calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Lion. L-I-O-N, lion. A baby lion is a cub. C-U-B, cub. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. A baby giraffe is a calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. A baby monkey is an infant. I-N-F-A-N-T, infant. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. A baby tiger is a cub. C-U-B, cub. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. A baby penguin is a chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. Fish. F-I-S-H, fish. A baby fish is an fingerling. F-I-N-G-E-R-L-I-N-G, fingerling. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. A baby sheep is a lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. Pig. P-I-G, pig. A baby pig is a piglet. P-I-G-L-E-T, piglet. Goat. G-O-A-T, goat. A baby goat is a kid. K-I-D, kid. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. A baby horse is a foal. F-O-A-L, foal. Cow. C-O-W, cow. A baby cow is a calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. A baby donkey is a colt. C-O-L-T, colt. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. A baby duck is a duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G-S, ducklings. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. A baby chicken is a chick. C-H-I-C-K-S, chicks. Dog. D-O-G, dog. A baby dog is a puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Cat. C-A-T, cat. A baby cat is a kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and give us a like. Thank you.